Now, in a trend reversal of sorts, real estate prices in Mumbai have seen the slowest appreciation among the top metros, rising by a meager 4% over the same period last year, even as home sales plunged 20% in India's costliest property markets. How are prices shaping up in other metros? Ritu Singh does a check.
Is the much-wanted correction in Mumbai real estate prices round the bend? Going by the early signs, looks like home buyers finally have something to look forward to. Prices rose by 4% in the September quarter, the lowest among the metros. Builders admit that if the economic landscape does not improve, prices may see some correction.
People have been expecting a price correction in the market for 2 to 3 years. That hasn't really come about. But I think, frankly, it depends largely on how the economic situation unfolds. If we remain in as weak an economic period as we have been over the last 6 months for a considerable period of time, I think there almost certainly will be a price correction.
And that's not all. A report by Lysis Forest says the number of unsold apartments in Mumbai is among the highest in metros, as sales plunged 20% last quarter on account of poor macros and high prices. Bengaluru, on the other hand, saw the highest price rise at 21% over last year, followed by the National Capital Region at 17%. Pune, Chennai and Hyderabad also saw some decent appreciation.
Economic outlook has not really been too good. Investors' participation has really reduced in the manner because most of the places the prices have virtually peaked. So there's no geography which looks like having upsides of the prices from here.
In fact, inventories have been piling up in Mumbai over the past few months, as builders have been holding on to the prices despite poor sales. And now it is just a question of who blinks first. Ritu Singh, ET Now, Mumbai.
Okay, to the other big story from the auto space.